from Alkaline Recipes. Today we're going to be doing an ocular treatment, Uncle G. We got some Beechii honey from Central America. We're going to be putting a couple drops in his eyes and we're going to see what comes out of his eyes. You ready? Let's spray dry for me, Uncle G. Your flaps, if you could. That's perfect. 1, 2. There you go. Close your eyes. Slowly stir it, and then slowly down. Taste that fresh honey. This is Melopina Beechii oil from the Yucatán Peninsula. Now, what you're noticing is squeezing his eye. Now, I want you to film his eye, and what you're noticing is, you'll see, as you already see, don't wipe your eye, and you see already the mucus coming out of his eye in the corner. You see that? You see the mucosal content right there in the corner of his eye. Blink your eye. And what you're gonna notice is this right here, the swelling under his eyes will begin to go away. Open and close your eyes, Uncle G. Yeah. See all that coming out of his eyes right now? See that? Now I guarantee you, if we were to take that little yellow piece and look at it under a microscope or magnifying glass, it's probably going to be parasitic. How's it feel?
The burning sensation is starting to go away. It's starting to soothe.
Okay. Wipe the corner of your eye, real fine, real gentle. Yeah. Now I'm not right there, just real cool now, guys. Look at that. How do you feel? Now what you're gonna notice, okay, take a picture of, look at this eye. Get a video of that eye real fast.
Okay, like that.
See, all right, yeah, okay, that's good. Now what we're gonna do, and then notice, because we didn't get his first eye.
Right.
What we're gonna notice is, in about 10 or 15 minutes after putting this shit there, it's gonna whiten up.
Okay.
Okay, now he'll probably blow his nose in a second. See? So what happened is sinus pressure come out of his nose and his mucus tract right now.
Just make it when
Also,
it made it.
See how I said that before it came?
Yep. When it came.
I want to get Uncle G's second ocular. It's on right now. Let's see, that treatment. Ready? Oh yeah, he's good. Okay. Now, rest of that honey, rub it over your eye. That's the one here. Ooh, that burnt it. I got that in there. Good. I'm trying to get two.
There you go.
It don't hurt, man.
I know.
It don't hurt, bro. It kind of like.
Yeah, I know.
That shit is a relief. I'm addicted to it. I put it in my eyes 6 times a day. Look, the boogers coming out. See the mucus?
Yeah.
He wasn't doing that before, guys.
Right.
I promise you. We sat here for fucking 2 hours.
Now all that, cleaned it.
It's draining his sinuses.
Drainage, yeah. Leaking. All that shit.
I can taste it. This.
Yeah, it cleans up your.
My eye, my sinuses.
You can see, now you see what I'm talking about when you can taste
honey.
it? Like,
Taste
I
it.
can taste it.
it's spitting out straight. Motherfucking mucus. All up here.
Yeah.
Backed up. In the name of science. This is real science right here. Feel me? I mean, other shit science too, but this real science. Human science. Basic human science. Bro. Oh yeah, let's look at your eye too. We forgot your eye. So we got to see the heavy tear production. Look at all that. It's teared up nice and swell. Beautiful. Mucus ball on top. Now what this is doing, get rid of all the conjunctivitis, inflammation, and all everything out of his eye.
Beechii can be purchased at www.alkalineherbsandrecipes.com. Yeah, man.